guys. When I turned my head, the next one I saw was this Norfolk Southern intermodal train in Boiling Springs, Pennsylvania. I'm also at a drag strip for a little while. And by the way, in the next couple of years, by 2027 or sooner, the Union Pacific is going to go on to absorb the Norfolk Southern into their territory. So that's going to be pretty cool. And when I went in here, I saw a Norfolk Southern freight train, a mixed freight. I'm unaware of the IDs on the Norfolk Southern system, so anyone in the comment section below that knows the ID of this train, feel free to share it. Pretty sure it was heading from, I'm not so sure if it's heading to Baltimore or if it's leaving, or if it just left Baltimore. Former Pennsylvania Railroad trackage, I'm pretty sure. Oh, got some piggyback cars, look at that. Oh, I'm sorry I told you to put the camera down to you guys. I don't usually look into the camera when making shots like that. Alright, here's some more going on. Sounds like we got ourselves as a DPU coming up. I think it's a rear DPU. Alright, it's coming up. And they are 8079 and 4163. Alright, so this is a long intermodal perhaps. I didn't get the lead locomotives because I just missed them when I spotted the train behind me. So unfortunately I can't identify those. The lead locomotive must have been a C44, and then the other one was an SC70 ACE probably. The rear of the second locomotive at front gave me that. I'm pretty sure that intermodals are very common here in Boiling Springs, Pennsylvania. Don't want you to block the camera. There we go. Alright, and that's it. And I think I should also end this part of the video by showing you guys this here. If you can see it, that is. So I got myself another train, another intermodal once again. Wow, this is the second one I've seen. I caught it just in time. All right. I've seen some containers I've never seen before, like that pink one. China shipping. Evergreen, a tanker in one of them. Oh no, never mind, this is a mixed freight. I got some boxcars. I don't know if I would say if it's intermodal. It could be, but I can't be sure. Alright, we got a lot of tankers coming up. Wow. Oh wow, and that was it already. Well, that was a short train right there. Alright then, well there's your second train from Boiling Springs, Pennsylvania. And I will be back with another catch. Alright guys, so I'm hearing another Norfolk Southern train. It's honking at, it's apparently honking at Mount Holly Springs, just not too far down from here. And it is coming the other direction, going this way. From the past couple of directions, it's been going this way. Alright. This one contestant just keeps on trying to do wheelies for the past, like, several, like, minutes. It's been, like, up to an hour. And now is doing it again. Again and again and again and again. And again. Oh, anyways. Alright, I hear it. It's going the other direction. Alright, here it comes. So let's see if I can identify the numbers. If I can't, that's alright. Alright, here it is. Oh, CSX one. 3011. CSX Foreign Power, it looks like. At least on Norfolk Southern, I guess. That's what I would call Foreign Power. But I don't know if I would consider it as much. A lot of flat cars right now. Alright. Alright, so far things are looking pretty good. A lot of tankers. This might be how we wrap up the train, or how the train's gonna wrap up. It might. I think I'm hearing some more DPUs coming up. I'm sure that's the one you're probably just... What was that? Oh, there's some dust coming off those hopper cars. Those are some old ones. I think it's heading down this direction because it's heading to Philadelphia, I'm pretty sure, because of the Howard Street Tunnel project. I have to use Norfolk Southern trackage, I'm pretty sure. Oh, yep, this is definitely a CSX train using Norfolk Southern lines. Alright, 3247 is the Mid-DPU, and it's an ET44. I don't know if I would call it a GEVO, because I can't really tell. Alright, looks like we got some good containers here. Oh, we got some trash cars over here. Oh, that's the first time I've seen stuff like that. And there's some ash ones coming up, or those are probably just garbage cars as well. People always freak out over these cars in a very bad way. And that's because that they smell bad, but from a distance I don't really care. Alright, so far it's looking pretty good. This might be how we end off the train, probably. So yeah, this train might be heading to Philadelphia, actually. Passing through at a certain point. Yeah, that's it. All right. So there you have it. That was a cool train. I'm pretty sure the train's heading to Philadelphia on the Norfolk Southern Main Line on former Pennsylvania track. All right, we got another train coming. This is our fourth now. Howard Street Tunnel Project in Baltimore. Trains often go through there to Philadelphia, but now they're taking. All right, here it comes. It's coming at any moment here. All right, guys, here it comes. Probably not the best place to get so much things, but... Alright, train will be coming pretty soon. Alright, here it is. This might be another Norfolk Southern train, or another CSX one. No, this is Norfolk Southern, okay. 4086 and 1143 and 4309, I think. Oh, ballast cars. That's the first time I've seen something like that. That's awesome. That's pretty cool. We got some lumber cars too. That's the piping. Oh, look out. Got two of them loaded with logs. Pretty good so far. Let's see if we can get a caboose at the back of this train. That would be pretty cool. But that's rarely to ever happen. But if it ever does, that would be cool. Woo! Golf cart raced right in front of me. Alright, got some intermodal cars now. This is a real mixed freight train here. Got some more coming up.
To be on, so hard to be strong when you're down.